crazy.
It's a pretty clever setup you got there.
Thanks. Wow.
Those are the yucks that came from town. They left earlier to go to town.
Yeah.
They've seen the error in their way.
I'm gonna take like 2 minutes and then I'm turning it off. An amazing light storm. What is it, Sean? It's the perfect storm.
Perfect storm.
What is it?
Whoa.
It's the perfect storm.
It's the perfect storm.
It's the
was the perfect storm.
I know it. Sean knows it. Busby knows it. We all know it.
It's perfect.
That is quite the lightning display. Are you seeing this, Buzz? You're like, I'm fine just with this stadium seat here. Oops, something wrong. Oh, somebody's phone. Your phone, Sean.
My phone. Good thing it's got.
Busby wants to sit by me so he can bite me. Jerk. Jerk. Floof. Cat.